There's a little trick to get the Bavarian cream to release, and we'll show you that in a little bit. Yeah, we got it! And now you know what all those fancy copper molds are used for. We found ours in a thrift store, and it's stamped Portugal. Is that just not the coolest thing to find? Our Pina Colada Bavarian cream starts with pineapple juice, a can of crushed pineapple, and you should get close to what you need, the 1.5 cups. If you don't get close but you're kind of near it, don't sweat it. Then get your unflavored gelatin blooming in the water. We like these little dishes. Wait! Wait! Where is that mushy marshmallow? Why did we cross this bridge for? To get to the other side! We were duped! And in your favorite saucepan, add your juice, sugar, a tablespoon of lemon juice to brighten things up, and kosher salt. Heat it up to just before it starts to boil. And you'll start to see bubbles forming around the edge. Add in your bloom gelatin. It should be rather spongy by now. The gelatin needs the heat to activate and form right. Add in your pineapple and let it cool to below 70 degrees. The fastest way to cool it is set the whole bowl in ice water. Our reusable ice cubes come in handy for this.
Attention, sweet scientist! Identify yourselves and report your purpose before I deduct points for excess sass.
Borkus, brain number 1, specializing in formulas, flavor physics, and mayhem control. Usually. And Dorcas, brain number 2, specializing in chaos calibration, marshmallow mechanics, and morally questionable snack experiments. And over at the mixer bowl, whisk a cup of heavy cream to soft peaks. Whisk in a tablespoon of vanilla extract and a tablespoon of rum extract. That's a tablespoon. Gently and carefully fold in sweetened condensed coconut milk. You don't have to get it all the way folded in yet. Now fold in the pineapple mixture in thirds. Reach down to the bottom and bring it over while you turn the bowl. If the pineapple mixture is too hot, it'll melt the whipped cream and you won't get the light, airy texture of Bavarian cream.
Morally questionable? I like your style, but order must be maintained. You are under my frosting now.
Oh, that sounds sticky. Note, Major Meringue displays 87% authoritarian fluff and 13% dramatic swirl.
Fluff is structure, soldier. Without structure, meringue collapses and civilization with it.
Lightly oil your pan. Wipe out any excess because we don't want a pool of oil. But make sure you get it all in the grooves. Tap it on the counter a few times to get the air bubbles out. And you can see how thick it's getting already. If yours looks like this, you're on your way. Chill it overnight. Yeah. He's dramatic. I like him. He's bossy. I love him. All right, sweethearts. If you're gonna have a military coup in my parking lot, at least buy something. We got cosmic coffee, lunar lemon pie, and today's special, meteor meatloaf. The next morning, demold it. Place it in a bowl of hot water. Hot water from the tap is fine. Count to 5 and flip it out. If you wait 10 seconds, that's too much, and the outside will melt and it'll lose all its nice shape. You gotta do the dance too.
Negative, ma'am. I consume only discipline and structured sugar.
Another one of those types. Must be something in the whipped cream. We reactivated the Mixitron with a tiny bit of bottle power. It fused dessert with destiny. We had some luster edible glitter and go of magic. Hey, yeah, magic. Serve it on a platter of tropical fruit, oranges, lemons, limes, kiwi, and of course pineapple. If you're using a fancy copper mold like ours, keep in mind that Bavarian cream sets from the outside in. So make sure you chill it 8 to 12 hours. And chill the serving plate in the freezer for 15 minutes. This slows the warming from the bottom. We might have invented the universe's first sentient pastry with a superiority complex. Ha!
And now my mission is clear. I shall restore order to the galaxy, one confection at a time. But first, who's been violating frosting regulations out here?
It can't sit out on the table like a cake because the room temperature will relax it and make it sag. And the pineapple hat. Stick toothpicks in the bottom so it doesn't sink into the delicate Bavarian cream. Add some maraschino cherries and a paper parasol, just like a pina colada at the club. Try the clowns. 2 of them. One with donuts on his feet. The other yells a lot.
Donuts on shoes? That's a violation of Sugar Code 42B. Troops, we march at once.
We're